In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an eBay personal account to business. If you're planning to use eBay more professionally, switching your account type from personal to business is an important step. The good news is that the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through exactly how to find the setting and what to expect along the way. First, sign into your eBay account and look toward the top area of the page where your account name appears. Move your cursor over your name to open the account menu. This is where eBay keeps several shortcuts related to your profile and account management, so just pause there for a moment until the drop-down becomes visible. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage important details connected to your eBay profile. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. You're in the right place for changing account level information. Once you're inside account settings, click on Personal Information. This page contains the details eBay uses to identify your account, including your account type. Take a second to make sure the page fully loads so you can clearly see all the available options. Now look for the section labeled Account Type. If your account is currently set as individual, you should see an edit option beside it. Click that edit button to begin the change from a personal account to a business account. This is the setting eBay uses to let you update how your account is classified. There is one important thing to know here. The edit option may not appear right away for everyone. In order for that option to show up, you need to have already sold at least one item on the account. So if you go to the account type section and don't see an edit button, that is likely the reason. In that case, you'll need to complete a sale first, then return to this same section and check again. That's all there is to the navigation part of the process. The main thing is knowing exactly where to go. Hover over your name, open account settings, go into personal information, and then check the account type area for the edit option. If you're preparing to run your eBay activity more like a business, making this change can help keep your account aligned with how you plan to sell. Just remember that the option depends on having at least one completed sale. Once that requirement is met, you should be able to move forward much more easily.